Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Agent Observation and Planning. How AI agents strategize and learn from experience. Imagine you have a smart digital helper, like a tiny robot that lives inside your computer program. This is essentially what an AI agent is. It's not just a piece of code that does what you tell it. It's code designed to perceive its environment, make decisions, and then act upon those decisions to achieve a goal. Think of it like a smart vacuum cleaner robot. It sees dirt, observes, decides the best path, plans, and then moves to clean, acts. As a developer, you're building the brain and the body for this digital entity. Before an AI agent can do anything smart, it needs to understand what's happening around it. This process is called observation. For us humans, it's using our eyes, ears, and other senses. For an AI agent, seeing means collecting data. This could be reading values from a database, processing images from a camera feed, interpreting text input, or getting real-time sensor data. As a developer, you'd write the code that feeds this data to your agent, essentially giving it its senses. Through APIs, data streams, or direct input methods. Once an AI agent has observed its environment, it needs to figure out what to do next. This is where planning comes in. Just like you plan your day or a route to a new place. An AI agent uses its observations to strategize its actions. It considers its goal in the current situation to decide the best step. This might involve simple, if-then, rules you've programmed, or more complex algorithms that weigh different possibilities. From a developer's standpoint, you're designing the decision-making logic, the brain that processes observations and outputs a chosen action. AI agents don't just observe once and act once. They operate in a continuous loop. Observe, plan, act, and then observe again. Imagine a self-driving car. It continuously observes the road, traffic, signs, pedestrians, plans its next maneuver, accelerate, brake, turn, acts, controls the car, and then immediately observes the new situation to repeat the cycle. This constant feedback loop is crucial for agents to adapt to dynamic environments. As a developer, this often translates to a back-while loop or an event-driven architecture that keeps your agent active and responsive. The really powerful thing about AI agents is their ability to learn from experience. If an action didn't lead to the desired outcome, or led to a bad one, the agent can remember that. Next time it encounters a similar situation, it can adjust its planning to avoid repeating the mistake or to try a better approach. This is like a chef refining a recipe. They try an ingredient, see the result, and adjust for next time. For developers, this learning often involves updating internal models, adjusting parameters, or even rewriting internal rules based on the rewards or penalties received from past actions, making the agent smarter over time without constant manual intervention. AI agents are already powering many technologies you use daily. Think about the AI in video games, non-player characters or NPCs that respond to your moves. Self-driving cars navigating complex roads, smart home devices adjusting temperature based on your habits, or even the recommendation systems on streaming services. Each of these involves an agent observing data, planning a response, and then acting. As a developer, understanding agents opens up possibilities to build intelligent systems that can truly interact with and adapt to the real world or complex digital environments. Ready to build your own? You can start with something simple. Pick a small environment, maybe a text-based game like tic-tac-toe. First, define what your agent can observe. the current state of the board. Second, define its actions, placing an X or O. Third, implement your planning logic, simple rules like, if I can win, win, or if opponent can win, block. Single quote. Finally, set up the observe plan act loop. This hands-on approach will solidify your understanding and show you how these core AI concepts translate directly into code you write. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.